whether you bring in images over here or whether you bring in any objects, they are in a certain position right here. And then if you want to go ahead and then change that position right here, then you can go around and then flip them out as well. For example, here I have this image, and to change around its direction, you can go around onto the top and click on flip. And then you can flip it horizontally right here, and it flips it out. You can also go around and flip it vertically, as you can see. You can go around onto any objects like these and do the same right here, because you get the option for the objects as well. You can flip it horizontally or flip it vertically right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the flip option right here, just like this. You can click on it to go around and flip it back out onto the original position, just like this as well. So that is how you can use the flip option inside of VistaCreate projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.